Hi, it's me again. I placed a little order with Davida handcraft soap, and I wanted to open the box with you so you can see what we got in here. Aww, a cute little ornament. Here's her card. She put in a note. Let's see what that is real quick. Oh, that's really cute. Little Christmas card. Oh. Okay, here we go. Okay, so here is a salt spa bar. Very pretty, nice and hard. Ooh, it smells good. Ooh, really good. I like that. Okay, and here is Soothing Gold. Look at how pretty that is. Those are beautiful swirls in there. The colors are amazing. I love them. Oh, this smells really good too. Even though it's sealed, I can smell through the wrap up here. Very nice. Okay, this one's called Splendid. Ooh, and it is splendid. Isn't that pretty? Smells really good. Yeah, look at how pretty that is. Look at all the colors and the layers. Really nice. Ooh, that's a big bar, heavy. This is called Ocean Scope. Look at how beautiful that is. It looks like waves. That smells good too, the little hole there. That is really nice. So pretty. Love those colors. You know, it's so amazing how when you watch somebody make something online and then you see it in person, there's just no comparison. I mean, it looks so much better in person. And look at these. This is called Cherry Crush. Ooh, that smells good too. Really nicely done. Love it. Okay, this one's called Lovely. Okay. This one has a citrus fragrance. Oh, okay, I got it there. This is so clean smelling. And called Twinkle. Oh, these all smell so wonderful. They really do. They smell amazing. She did a really nice job on these. So I really would highly recommend heading over to A.D. Ramsey's Davida handcraft soap and place an order, because she has some really beautiful products there. So thank you so much for watching, and God bless.